Are you worried that your credit score is too low to be able to qualify to purchase a home? I'm Gregory James, and I'm here with my preferred loan officer, Stephen Roberts. Stephen, tell us a little bit about what you can do to help somebody who has a credit score that's a little bit low, but to be able to get them to where they can purchase a home.
Yeah, sure. I love working with first-time buyers and folks that have maybe had a little ding on their credit. They're not quite sure about getting the process started. I know the biggest thing that I always hear, people are afraid to hear no, or they're afraid to get the process started because they just don't want to face it. But I'm here to tell you that the minimum amount of credit that we need is a 580, and it's really not that hard to get started. The thing that we do is we like to pull their credit first and foremost. We like to look at things that are on there that maybe shouldn't be on there, and also find ways to get it up. Sometimes adding new credit, such as a secured credit card, or maybe even being added to your parents' credit card as an authorized user to get all those years of history, will actually help bump up your score right away within 30 days. You don't need the expensive credit repair specialists that are telling you that you need to get on a year type fixing program. So what we do is we just jump in right away, do some of these things, pay down debt potentially, borrow from your 401k, borrow from family, get your debt utilization or credit utilization below 50%, open some new credit, get yourself added to a family member's credit card, and that'll really boost your score.
Okay. And we've actually worked together with a couple of buyers that I've brought to you as well, and we've seen that happen, and within a matter of a couple of months, seen some jumps to get people where they need to be. And I know you've worked with a whole lot more as well, where you've seen many success stories where that's happened, and many people in homes today that started off thinking their score was too low.
Yeah, absolutely. There's nothing greater than seeing somebody's score jump up 40 to 50 points in a matter of 4 to 6 weeks even. So people don't think it's possible. A lot of people and the naysayers out there will tell you that it's not possible and that you need to join an expensive program. But we've actually teamed up to actually work and do some simple steps that will help you get above that 580 score, and so that gets you qualified into an FHA loan. Now, we talked a lot about before in the past about the biggest fear is, do I have enough down payment? Mm-hmm. You hear that a lot?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so one thing is you need to know is that 3.5% is the minimum down payment for FHA, 3% for conventional, and vets can get in for 0% down. So that's really important to know as well.
What if somebody has no money down?
Yeah, so no money down. There's actually programs in Texas. We're very fortunate. TDHCA, TSHAC, Seth Gold Star. There's several programs, just to name a few, that will actually help you get into a house with zero down. So you can actually get these down payment assistance from these companies. You don't even have to pay the loan back until you sell the house. So that's really big. Mm-hmm. A lot of people say, well, there's no free money. Well, you're right, but you don't have to pay it back until you sell the house. So this will allow you to get it in for zero down, which I love, and we've done that a lot.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Great. That's some really helpful information. Appreciate you sharing that with us today. So don't just wonder if things will ever change for you. Let's actually start talking about it, and let's make things happen for you. So give us a call. Let us know how we can help you with your home buying and with your mortgage needs.